Hello, everybody. Hello. This is Mike from the Woodworking Machinery Factory. Today we show our factory for you. Uh, let's go. Let's go. This is our showroom. All the half-finished machines placed here and finish their package and shipment. This machine all is ready for shipment. Already finished the package. Okay, let's go. Our factory mainly produce the edge benders, panel saw, beam saw, and the 6 drilling machine, CNC cutting machine, and set drilling machine. These are all main products. They are professional for the making cabinets. Okay, let's go. At first, we show our the workshop for the edge benders. You can see here. This is the workshop for edge benders. We have automatic edge benders and semi-auto edge benders and manual edge benders. This product is already ordered by other countries' customers. We export to the Mexico, United States, and Brazil, Argentina. Also, we export to the many machines to the Africa, South Africa, Uganda, Nigeria, many countries. Also, Southeast Thailand, Myanmar, Vietnam. They are all our market. Okay, let's go. You can see here. These are the main products. This is a compactor machines, compactor edge benders. It is small and automatic. It can save the space for the workshop. Let's go see here. It's very cute and a very beautiful design. You can see here. These small edge benders, they have the pre-milling function, gluing, and cutting, and trimming function, and fine trimming function, and polishing function. This machine is just less than 3 meters. It's a very tight and good design. It is many customers from the South America. They like it. Okay, let's go. All these machines are for one customer. This is our one engine Woodmac. I think some guys maybe you will hear about it. Not only the small edge bender, we also produce the big edge bender. You can see here, big edge bender. This big edge bender is very good for the big factory. If your production capacity is big, you can buy the big machine. For big machine, we have many different models. The models, they are the different function. For this one, we have a pre-milling function, gluing function, and trimming function, rough trimming, fine trimming, wrapping, and a polishing function. They can produce a good box. This place is for when machine finished assembler. This place is the workers. They are testing machine. Usually, one machine it will test 2 or 3 days to make sure the machine is high quality before leaving factory. This place is for the spare parts. edge vendors, spare parts. Many parts is ready for assembly. Okay, that's our edge vendor shop, workshop. Let's go through another one. You also can see here our many workers are working now. This says for many machines body, we are processing by ourselves. You can see here. Our workers now is make the welding for the frame, for a metal frame. This is for painting place. After melting, we make the painting here. This place is for the welding. Place for the machine body. That machine, all this machine is for the processing machine body. You can see here, this place. In this place, we produce the edge vendor body frame and the sensor rotor body frame, the panel saw, and also the sensor drilling machine. They are all here they are all here for the finished. Okay. Let's go. This machine we finished. Our workers are by packing machine like this. These are all edge vendor. We have a lot of orders. Okay, here. We from here to here. Here is we produce the panel saw. You see, this is panel saw. The panel saw is for a cutting board. It is very suitable for the small factory. When you want to cut in the 90-degree board and 45-degree board, or from 45 to 90 degree. This machine is cheaper and high. We produce here. This machine, the quantity is not big because we produce according to orders. Okay, let's go here. Sometimes, if anybody interested in the vacuum membrane press machine, we also can produce. This is our another machine, but not bigger quantity. Our main machine is edge vendor sensor router. The sensor router, the frame. The sensor router, the frame. They are ready to the assembler. Frame, assembler here. This is the popular machine, the four-head sensor cutting machine. It is for the cutting the board and for the maker engraving. You can see four-head. You can see here. Now the machine is working or testing now. You can see this. They're testing now. This is for the bedside plate table. Also for this machine, we can produce according to your demand. You can do your specification. We can produce for you. And workers this is also the same thing cutting machine. It's a double table. One table, two table. And that side machine, all is one table. This machine is also very it's liked by many customers from the world. We have the two boring, two spindle, and one drilling group. This drilling group they have nine heights, nine drilling heights. They can work nine drilling heights. Okay. This machine is they can produce many designs. It is very good for the big factories because this machine it can automatic to change the tools. You can see here. This is automatic tool change. And for this spindle, it is 8 line. This is from 8 line. They have the 9 kilowatt 8 line HQD spindle. It can automatically change. Also, we equipped with the gel group. They have the 9 or 12 heads according to your demand, and we can produce all kinds of the designs. Usually, for the cabinet or for the closet, for this machine, they can produce more than 90%. More than 90% the design. This machine can finish. This machine. You can see this we testing the workpiece for make all kinds of the designs. All this machine the first they can cutting first and make design second. This place is our sensor router workshop. Sensor router. And look at here. We also have 6 drilling machine, 6 size drilling machine. That's it. For 6 drilling side machine, they can process the board, the 6 sides at the same time. That means it can produce the cabinet in high efficient than the side drilling machine and the CNC cutting machine. Usually, if you have a big factory, you can buy 1 beam saw, 1 edge bender, and 1 this machine. This 3 machine they can produce lots of capacity for the cabinet boards. If you have a medium factory, I think you can buy 1 beam saw, 1 not beam saw, sorry, 1 CNC root cutting machine, 1 CNC side drilling machine, and 1 edge bender. This is for the medium factory. And if you want to buy if you have a small factory, you can buy 1 beam saw, 1 edge bender, 1 normal drilling machine. This is for the small factory. And our factory, we have been in this field for 17 years. We have lots of the engineers. We can give you the solution, and we are good at the design the cabinet. We have a good at the produce machine for the cabinet. So if you have any idea or have any demand, we can help you. We can give you a good advice. Okay, that's a place for the CNC cutting machine or CNC cutting machine. And this place is for the electric parts. Electric parts. We usually use for the electric part here. You can see here. Many also have workers working here. They make assembler for the electric parts. Make the panel of the machine, the panel, and the machine's electric box all finished here. We just take them to that place to install, assemble it. That's this place. You can look around.